Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage access in a Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, and now go ahead to this Google Drive options, which is your applications. And if you wanna manage your access, here I'm gonna open it by my home page here guys, and I'm gonna manage for this file. Just tap on this three dots icon at the top right. Now just choose this manage access. In this page, as you can see, there are a restricted, you just have to tap on it. I used only people added can open. And here, if you want to manage it, you can change it for the anyone with the link like this. And to save it, you just have to go back here guys, it's updating. And if you use this anyone with the link, there will easily open your link that you shared. So if you use the first one like before, which is only people added can open, it's only for the people that you share the link to open it. You can add first for the peoples here at the top right. Just tap on it, and now just go ahead to the Google that you want to add for view your link guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.